Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you all my squishies, and this is my first video, so like this video and subscribe to my channel, and yeah. So the first squishy is this ice cream. It's like a sundae with blue syrup and then like strawberry, and I don't know what this is. My next squishy is this ice cream cone. It just has vanilla ice cream and then like a cone. My next squishy is this, like latte. It reminds me of Starbucks. It has like a straw and then like that. It's really slow rising. My next one is this Hello Kitty donut. It has a purple bow and it's really slow rising and cute. And then this gives like a different cool texture. My next squishy is this whale. And my next one is this strawberry cake. It's really squishy and slow rising, and it comes with this keychain. My next squishy is this squishy. It's a little bit hard, but that's okay with me. It's just like a ice cream cone with that ice cream with an ice cream cone. So yeah, my next squishy is this tiny bread. This is a scary bread. I have tiny ones and big ones. So yeah, that's the bread. I have this like a cupcake with, not really a cupcake, but a waffle cone with ice cream and then like syrup and then whipped cream and then cherry. I have this red bow. This panda bun. I have this other one. It's like the same one as this one, but like different colors with like a brown bow and then like, I don't know, like turquoise frosting, and this one has pink. So yeah, it's still rising and really good. Then I have this milk carton thing. It's super duper soft. It's super duper slow rising. Then I have this. This is my first squishy I ever got. It has some defects in it, but it's still really squishy. It's just a marshmallow, but it's soft and slow rising. I have this heart donut with navy blue frosting. This emoji bun. This donut, yellow donut. I have this bread, which also has a weird face. It's not that slow rising, but it's still a nice squishy. I don't know what you call this. So yeah, it's just this. I don't know what you call those things. French bread. I have this blue fish. It's pretty slow rising. I have this, like, I think it's a bear, like kawaii bear. This bear donut with chocolate drizzling. This foot. This blue macaron. I don't know. Smiley bun. This sad bear, or it looks sad, it might not be sad, I don't know. This mad cat. this pink macaroon. And it's like donut with like filling on the inside. I have this like cat with a bow. And that was my last squishy. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what other videos I should do. And bye!